Welcome to UniTel Voice. Whether you just signed up or are looking to make the most out of your UniTel Voice account, this Getting Started video series will go over the fundamentals of your phone system and show you how to configure it to give your callers the best possible experience. UniTel Voice is a customizable phone system that can be set up to simply forward your callers directly to an existing phone number, or you can use it as your complete business phone system with a professional main greeting, extensions, dial-by-name directory, voicemail, and the ability to make and receive calls from any device. Whether your call forwarding needs are simple, complex, or somewhere in between, you first need to understand the different components of your phone system and how they work together. But before we go over those components, we want to give you a quick note about logging into your online account versus logging into the UniTel Voice mobile app. The password and username you created when you first signed up for UniTel Voice allows you to access your online management portal and set up your main greeting and extensions. It is not your login for the UniTel Voice mobile app. The mobile app is designed to sync with your personal employee extension. If you would like to use the mobile app, you'll first have to set up your own employee extension. We'll cover how extensions work later in this video. Okay, let's start from the top. Your caller experience starts after your customer dials your phone number. Your phone number can be set up to forward directly to an extension of your choice and then answered on the device of your choice. Or your phone number can be configured to forward calls to a main greeting. To give your customers the best caller experience, we recommend using a main greeting to professionally greet your callers and provide them with a menu of extension options. For example, your main greeting might sound something like this. Thank you for calling ABC Company. For sales, press 1. For support, press 2. For our dial-by-name directory, press 8. Or if you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Extensions control how your calls are answered after callers respond to the prompts offered by your main greeting. There are 3 types of extensions: employee extensions, department extensions, and dial-by-name directory. Employee extensions are 3 digits each and represent your phone system's users. Every member of your team should have their own employee extension, including you. You'll need an employee extension to sync with or log into your mobile app. Within each employee extension, you can customize call forwarding, voicemail, login info, and the permission settings for users. Department extensions are simply groups of employee extensions. They're 1 digit each, 0 to 6. For example, you could designate extension 1 as your sales department and extension 2 as your support department. You also have the ability to customize the call forwarding and voicemail settings for each department extension. The dial-by-name directory is exactly what it sounds like. It's a directory of all your employee extensions. It allows callers to use their phone's dial pad to find an employee extension based on your employee's last name. Employee extensions can be synced to the UniTel Voice mobile app and other VoIP devices such as soft phones or IP phones. Once you sync your employee extension with the device, you can receive inbound calls and make outbound calls using your UniTel Voice number. These devices also give you the ability to put callers on hold, transfer calls, and use other office phone features. Each employee extension has unique login credentials for syncing with your mobile app and other devices. Finally, if the call is not answered, each department and employee extension has its own customizable voicemail box. You can upload or record custom voicemail greetings, have voicemails forwarded to your email, and access them via your mobile app. Let's log in to your UniTel Voice account and see where you manage each component of your phone system. But first, a quick reminder about logging into your online account versus logging into your mobile app. The password and username you created when you first signed up for UniTel Voice allows you to access your online management portal and set up your main greeting and extensions. It is not your login for the UniTel Voice mobile app. The mobile app is designed to sync with your personal employee extension. If you would like to use the mobile app, you'll first have to set up your own employee extension. We cover how to do that in our extensions video later in this Getting Started guide. When you log in, you land inside your inbox. To the left, you'll find the main navigation. Here you can access all of the components of your phone system. In the upper right, you'll find a link to our help resources and the profile menu where you can edit your profile and login info, provide us with feedback, and even sign up for our partner program if you'd like. To the bottom left, you'll see a help widget. This allows you to search our help desk while you are inside your account. The help widget provides you with article suggestions based on what component of the phone system you're looking at, but you can always use the search bar to find answers to your questions. Inside the inbox, you're able to manage a list of your last 60 days of voicemails and faxes. Here, you can listen to voicemail messages, download your faxes, and if you're looking for a specific message, you can use this filter and search menu. Also, if you select the message details, you have the option to call back, add a note, download, forward, or delete the message. Just down from the inbox is Calls. Here, you'll find a detailed 60-day log of all your inbound, outbound, and dial-out calls. Similar to your inbox, you can access the Call Details menu to return the call or block the number. You also have the option to download your call log in the upper right-hand corner. Below Calls is the Extensions section. This is where you can create and manage the various types of extensions within your phone system. Here you see a list of department, employee, and other extensions. Other extensions include your dial-by-name directory and conference service extensions, if you've added conference calling to your account. Below Extensions, you'll find Fax Out. From here, you can send faxes and see a log of all your recently sent faxes. At the bottom, you'll find Settings and its submenu, which includes Account, Greetings, Your Numbers, Music on Hold, Call Block, Dial-Out Numbers, and Extras. First up is Account. This section houses your usage, account balance, one-time payments, accounts and billing information, master account login, previous invoices, and your account time zone. Just down from Account is Greetings. Here you can create and manage the recordings for your main greeting and set your business hours if you'd like to use an after-hours greeting. Below Greetings is your Numbers. Here you'll find a list of all the phone numbers connected to your account. You have the option to add more numbers to your account and edit the settings of your existing numbers. Then we have your Music on Hold. Here you can adjust the music being played while calls are being forwarded or waiting on hold. You have several music options to choose from, including a standard ringtone, or you can upload your own recording or music file. Below Music on Hold, you'll find Call Block. Here you have the option to block calls by number and/or area code. If you decide to block an area code but want to allow specific numbers through, you may add them here. Next, we have Dial-Out Numbers. Here, you can authorize phone numbers to make outbound calls from your phone system using an access line. It's simply a way to make outbound calls from your UniTel Voice number without using the mobile app. And finally, we have Extras. This is a list of additional features and functionality UniTel Voice allows you to add onto your account. Some features come standard with your phone system, while others can be activated at an additional cost. And that concludes your tour. Now that you know where everything lives in your account, the following videos will take a more detailed look at managing and setting up the core components of your phone system. Remember, if you need help, have a question, comment, or suggestion, we'd love to hear from you. Just visit unitelvoice.com/support to give us a call. Search our FAQs, review our Getting Started guide, or submit a ticket and we'll get right back to you.